My week has been, more productive than usual. I mean, I've been to many establishments, architectural and engineering establishments throughout the week, and now I have the chance to make my pavilion a reality.
My name is Shira Naveed and I'm the project lead at Beyond the Box for the People's Pavilion. Today's been so much fun. We had all of the 7 teams come together, work on their presentations. So we do something called a pin-up in architecture. They pinned up their designs from where they started off with to where they are now, including all their design development, things like site mappings, site drawings, plans, elevations, and also their models that they made. We invited architects and engineers that they've worked with throughout to come and view their presentations and gave them feedback.
My best memory was building up a lollipop, a lolly stick, bridge for it to hold over 3 kilograms of weight.
Pavilion has been really exciting. I had an opportunity to go to lots of different companies, structural engineering company, architectural companies, and I had an experience to learn about their culture, their work, and also build my design for Pavilion. So it was really, really interesting and educational.
I have to say, it was the engineering and architecture firms visits. We got to see the offices, we got to see models they've made in the past, we've got to see how they work, where they work. It was just really interesting, and obviously being able to talk with industry professionals, it allowed me to learn a lot.
I would definitely recommend it because you really get to experience architecture in a different way. So before coming to this program, I thought that architecture was just about designing, but there's just so much into it. You have to consider psychology, sociology. There's of course, design into it, but there's a lot more than design, so I would definitely recommend it. Plus, you get really supported throughout, so yeah, I would definitely recommend it.
I'd recommend this highly to young people. It gets you off the streets, and you also have a very good time while staying in a safe environment.
I think it's really important that young people get involved in the People's Pavilion and within architecture in general. It really is one of those projects where trying to do co-design effectively, it really is up to the people. So hence the name, the People's Pavilion. The vote will go to the public. Really, really looking forward to the exhibition to see all of their work displayed and have it celebrated.
It's been really fun, and I'm really proud of what we've came up with, regardless if we win or not. I'm just genuinely, the design, we love it, and yeah. The whole thing honestly was a great experience.